It's cold over here. There's a hole.
Put your hand in there.
No! There's a hole over here.
The famous words of Adcock can't be all your life.
I told him to read the text message and he said, "Oh, you almost got me, Dad." I said, man, call people out like that, then you have no choice.
I didn't make that mistake. I was like, yeah, I'm down.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. He got a fish in there.
He got one in there.
He's in there. I felt him.
Yeah, he's in there.
I felt him hit the back.
That motherfucker's in there, boy.
Oh, shit. Won't let him out.
Hold on, hold on.
Yeah, I feel him thump, thump, thump. Thump, thump.
He fucking got out, dude. He got out.
For real?
That motherfucker was like that fat, dude.
There's one right
I felt
here.
him hitting the back of the barrel.
No,
There's a hole right here.
Sometimes there's more than one. Let me check and see.
he went up across my arm right here. See that? That's where he fucking hit
Oh,
me.
dang.
That motherfucker attacked me, bro.
Yeah, there's... Oh, I see his feet.
Yeah, he's not.
Yeah,
There's a
he
hole
hit me right here.
here.
See this? That's where he hit me. He goes,
There's a hole right here.
Dang.
dude, that was a fat motherfucker too,
Go ahead,
bro.
Ortiz.
Boy.
There's the next barrel.
Oh, they're next to each other?
Yeah.
I found it.
Dang.
I'm blocking it.
Appreciate
right
it, Smillo. Appreciate you for finding it.
now. I'm blocking it right now.
I'm dancing.
So you gotta come over here. You want me to hold that for you?
I found the next barrel. You're welcome.
Here's a stick, just in case you need to go all the way to the back.
Oh, you don't use it right now?
Throw your hand in there.
What if he catches one?
That'd be awesome. I just let a big one out.
But how would he get out?
Cause he's swimming that long.
All right, I did my thing, man. There's nothing in there.
I'm sure.
I'm positive, bro. All right.
Supposed to be like this?
Hold-
Hold on, look.
Yeah, hold on, Smillo. I'll be right there. You wanna hand me two, bro? got all that shit in your lap. Oh, come on,
Juice at you?
man! Right in my face. Oh,
Hey, for that second hook, break from where the cut is, break it. No.
man.
Uh-oh, the doggies are coming. They like food.
That's a big one. Yeah. See if we can't see him. Okay, here he comes, bud. Yep. Oh shit. Really ready?
Oh.
Come on. Here he comes. Oh yeah. That's a taco, homie.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that flathead. Oh my goodness.
What's in there, dude?
That's sexy.
See it?
See, it's better than putting your hand in the hole. Hold on. Just grab him. Oh, he choked it. All the way to his rear end.
That's funny, Dad.
It's the first flathead of the season.
Got a flat.
See that?
Yo, Smilla, was that yours or your
Yeah.
dad's?
That was mine.
I got super long ones if it'll help.
I got the hook. It's just in his butthole. Oh!
Oh! I got the biggest one.
Hey, pay attention. That dude horsed that. Smell, look at that. Smell, you better hold him tight.
That's a good one right there.
You're on video, bro. Dang.
Going in there.
Are you gonna hold that up for your dad or what?
I already got it, dude.
Oh, that's a nice.
He said,
That was a big problem.
smallest hook in the world, you know what I mean?
I love them county hooks.
You want me to grab it?
Is there one?
Nope. Yep.
Yeah?
A baby.
Oh, look at that. Oh man, I've never seen one like that. Look at him. He's freaking albino. It's almost see-through. Look at that.
Little channel cat.
Yeah, sure is.
Hell.
Isn't that cool?
There's one over there. Two over there.
Yeah. With a good release. Dang, Smilla. You know you got a drone? I just put the camera on him. All right. Catch me something. Dang. Yeah, we ain't doing no good over here, bro. Yeah, I know you are.
I ain't caught a fish in like 2 hours. Oh, must be nice, bro. Thanks for reminding me. Oh, he's got him nice.
Oh, dang. They getting bigger over there.
Well, he knows where all the brush is.
And then your line got tangled up sitting down right there. Look, he throws it at you.
I almost sent me the pecker. He said, all right, I'll put one in your slip.
I have been fishing this marina for several years. Out in the wintertime, though, we catch them big ass slabs.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't even take the boat out in fall, winter, or early spring. We just sit here, slay them all day.
Got him.
Sounds pretty cool to me.
Okay, that's all the minnows.
Hey, go yell down there in your slip, man. I'm trying to catch me a fish.
Dang. That's it, man. We not doing nothing over here. Smilla took them all. I got a knot in my line.
Oh, wasn't you just making fun of me for having a...
Dang, man.
I'll take the line. Oh, you just sit there and got your line tangled up?
Yeah.
Look at you now.
There's a knot right there, dude. Man.
Guys, you just gotta let your...
Whatever.
Not for real.
I don't
Whatever.
want to hear nothing about it.
Oh. dang. He wasn't kidding.
About out of minutes, huh?
You better catch that. Guess we'll just sit over here and watch Smillo.
You can sit.
A sympathy one. Let me put one on the hook for you. We can drop it down. And then you can.
No, I've had the same minnow on for an hour now.
Did you get him, Smillo?
I just wanted to sit in the chair.
Oh. Dude, he got it, bro.
Golly, this dude just smacked my fish. How do I get off?
Just hang on, I'm coming. No way.
Booyah!
Look at what, dude? I need to talk one more time. You gotta go swimming, bro.
Bye-bye.
He said, booyah.
No, look, as soon
That's the
as
last one. You better catch you a big one.
I betcha when I walk away,
Look, look, look. It's already
everything will already go down.
moving, bub.
I'm doing the
I'm gonna
splits.
catch it.
I'm doing the splits.
No.
Come on, Smillo.
This is not deep enough.
Let me see.
Oh.
All right, let's see it, buddy. Oh, it's moving.
I still got it too.
Still got the minnow?
Yeah.
Never give you no Christmas present from me. I ain't telling you where any more fishing holes are. I ain't sharing any more information with you.
Dang, dude.
You catching fish like that, dude? I ain't helping you, dude. I just can't.
This thing looks like cut bait now, and he's still catching them. What you need?
Oh, I forgot my fucking pole over there.
Oh. All right, Smillo. Yeah.
Those gas cans?
Yeah.
That's all.
That's the only ones I buy.
Yeah. Only reason I had these is they were good to me.
Yeah.
That's the old gas cans in the boat.
I normally go through like a pair a year. Really depends how active the population is, you know what I mean?
Pair of what a year?
Pair of these a year?
Damn.
Yeah.
How active the population is.
They're not too active around here, man. Then
No.
you be working a building, you know what I mean? There ain't no compound, so I might be able to keep them for a little bit longer now. Hey, Smillo. Smillo.
What?
It was moving, bud. Oh yeah, look at that. Jesus.
Okay, my minnow's gone. My minnow's in his. Yeah, that's a keeper.
There's your fish.
No, I still got my fish. Dad!
Let's go back on the boat.
Dad! You're rude!
Hey, people are sleeping. What you yelling for all crazy? Watch out for the hooks, bud. You got all puffed up. Let's go, Smillo. There's one hook, bud. Oh man, look at that slime on there. Oh dang, Smillo!
Yeah!
Dude, this thing's a toad.
I caught it!
Oh, that's a certified belly shirt, bro. That's a muffin top, dog.
Ah!
Dang, Smillo!
I wonder what the other one was.
Smillo, look at that.
Dude, yeah, I'm out.
Wait, come over here.
It's been on for a while.
Yeah, he's-
Hold that motherfucker.
that dude's dead, huh?
I gotta send this to the girls, bro. Don't
Alright.
say
Yeah,
nothing
but
to
his
them.
gills are still red, so
Oh yeah.
he can eat.
Man, look at.
You alright, buddy?
Yep. There. Start lining it up. If Dave decides to begin, you let go, Dave. I don't want you to burn you and cut your hands.
Oh, here it comes. Oh!
There you go, buddy.
Keeper?
Yeah, we're gonna keep it just dead. No, it's not over there.
Dad, can we keep it?
We'll do whatever.
Keep it.
Okay. Good job.
Good job, Smillo.
Thanks, Dad. We still got more. Right?
Alright. There's one right there.
Hold on, Smell. Here you go. You can have this
There's
spot.
one right there.
You can have this spot.
Guys, there's one right there.
Smell, sit down.
I'll let you grab this one.
Hope there's nothing in there, bro. I mean, we going, dude.
This is not the entrance.
Hey, Smell. Hey,
Goes.
hey, what you gonna do if there's a fish down there, bro?
Oh,
All right.
no, I
feel,
stick.
You feel it? You feel it right
I
here?
stick
All right,
mine.
ready? Let's go. Let's go.
You
Come
go
on.
down first. I want to see you go down because I know you're not going to do it.
Oh, get out of here.
Come
Ready?
on, bro. He's
Come on, ready?
going.
Let's go.
Nothing.
Nothing in there?
That dude was.
I was banging.
That motherfucker
I
was
was going
moving his
like
ass and with it, but
There's one right here.
I found the back of this hole on this one. Stand right here for a second.
Who, me?
Yeah. Stand right here. Where my right foot is. Right there. Stand there for a second.
Oh, yeah. Someone's gonna have to stand here with me because this is a really big hole.
Oh. That's what it was.
oh shit! There's one right here.
It wasn't a barrel.
Oh, really?
My stick was going through this hole on the other side of the barrel.
Oh.
And when I was pulling it back, it was just catching on the side.
Oh.
Did we check this one right here? This one's low. This one's. I'll go with you, Smilla. Let's go, Smilla.
I'm blocking it. Come on, bro.
I'm already pumped up. It's a wrap here.
My right foot's in it. My
Here.
right foot's in the hole.
Where's the...
My right foot's in it. Just follow my right foot down. Just follow my right foot down.
Where's your foot?
Right here.
Oh, where's your foot, Smilla?
Give me a stick.
See? See, you're touching my foot. My foot's in the
barrel?
hole. There you go.
Feel it?
Scoot up, scoot up.
You feel the barrel?
No.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
my leg.
Okay, we ready to go under?
Where is it?
Let me see your hand. It's
I
ready.
don't know where the bear... Oh. Wait.
He found it.
Oh, God, no.
Okay, come on.
Sound like your dad. Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
man.
there it is.
Oh, it went
Shit.
off. The screen went
No,
off.
it's good.
No.
Let's go. Ready?
I'm not taking...
Come on. We go together. I'm going with you. Let's go.
You all right, bro?
No, but give me your hand so we know where we're going. All right, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
I don't know where it is. I can't... Is he still under?
Mm-hmm.
I
That
couldn't...
thing's deep.
I couldn't find it.
'Cause you
I
don't wanna-
was over here.
Yeah, I bet you were.
I
You go
don't-
down
I
right here
don't-
and he pops up over there.
No, I was going like this.
All right, let's go. Let's go. We're going back down.
Come on.
Hang on.
Why are you always the first one up, bro?
I don't know where the... Is it right here?
Don't step on your dad now.
Bro, I am not finding that hole.
Oh, give me your hand.
No, you already checked it. I'm like digging in the dirt. I'm like, where is it?
Dang, I forgot the stick, dude. There's a stick that goes with this
Yeah.
floaty stick.
That one's not the waterproof one, huh?
I don't know if it is.
Oh, you just don't want to try it out.
Yeah, because the other one got a whole case on it, you know?
Oh, yeah. Makes you feel better at least.
Yeah.
Okay, goodbye.
What?
I gotta go pee again.